Hello to everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are alright. In this video, I am going to show you the complete method of making nutrients-enriched compost tea with a very little effort. It is purely organic that you can use in all of your flowering, fruiting, and vegetable plants. I will show you the whole process, so don't skip any part, otherwise, you can't be able to get enough results. First of all, you need decomposed cow dung compost or any compost. If you don't have compost, you can make it very easily using kitchen wastes. If you want to know how to make organic compost at home, then you can subscribe to my channel. I am going to make a detailed video on this topic very soon. And you can also buy it from the link in the description below. As you can see, I have a plastic container that is filled with the water. Add about 100 gram of compost in 200 milliliter of water. A good compost contains many important nutrients that are essential for healthy plant growth. The nutrients in the compost dissolve in the water slowly. And the nutrients-enriched water is ready for fertilizing all your plants. You have to stir the liquid 2 times a day to make decomposition faster. It may also helps the microorganisms to take oxygen from the environment. You can place this container in a semi-shade area. In winters, it takes 7 days to decompose this liquid, and in summers the compost tea will be ready in 4 days. After 7 days, the compost tea look like this black nutrients-enriched liquid. Now it is ready to use. You have to dilute this liquid first. Add 1 liter of water in 100 milliliter of compost tea. Mix them well and take 100 ml of this diluted liquid for 5 inches of pot. Before adding this compost tea in any plant, make sure the soil is dry. Don't add this liquid in wet soil, otherwise your plant may get fungal attack. You can add this liquid in vegetables as well as flowering plants. It will help them to produce more blooms. The best time of fertilizing your plants is in the evening time when the temperature is low. In the hot sunlight, the effects of compost tea evaporates in the environment. For getting maximum results, follow all the instructions properly. Compost tea contains many beneficial nutrients that helps the plant to enhance its immunity. You can use this compost tea every 10 days. And if a plant have strong immunity, none of the insects can harm it. You must try this compost tea in your garden. It helps the plants to grow more fastly and widely. I have described all the important points related to compost tea. If you have any question related to this topic, you can ask me in the comments section. I must help you. If you find anything helpful in this video, then subscribe to my channel. I will show you many interesting points related to gardening. Thanks for watching.